Nindigenous. Natasha is my name. And let's make that the OJIBWE word of the day. Nindigenous is what I'm called, is my name. Indigenous. And we got a really special song for you today. This song is called Mr. Bojangles. And hope you like it. Knew a man Bojangles and he danced for you in worn out shoes, silver hair, ragged shirt and baggy pants. He did the old soft shoe. He jumped so high, lightly touched down. I met him in a cell, I was in New Orleans. I was down and out. He looked at me to be the eyes of ages. He spoke right out. He talked of life. Life laughed instead. Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, dance all day. He said his name Bojangles and he danced a lick across the cell, grabbed his pants for a better stand, so he jumped so high and clicked his heels. He let go a laugh. Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, dance, oh dance, please dance, He danced for those at minstrel shows and county fairs across the South. He said with tears of 15 years how his dog and he would travel around. But his dog up and died, he up and died. 20 years later he still grieved. Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, dance He said I now dance at every chance in honky-tonks for drinks and tips. Most of the time I spend behind these county bars, 'cause I drink so bit. He shook his head, and as he shook his head, I heard someone ask him, please, Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, dance, Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, dance, oh dance, please dance, oh. Ladies and gentlemen, NANABOOZHOO! And my name is Natasha, and I will see you again. GOFUNDME, Midawa. Hawa! Oh, that was really pretty, sweetie.
Oh, you were great.
Hey, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.